Have you ever stared into the mirror and felt like you were looking at a stranger? Like no matter how hard you try, you're still not enough? That voice that whispers those lies, it isn't truth. It's just an old story, one that's been playing on repeat for far too long. But today, we're pressing stop. Because self-love isn't a place you arrive at. It's a practice you live every day. The internet might tell you to. Just be confident. But real self-love isn't built from cliches. It's built from choices. Small, quiet choices that slowly reshape the way you see yourself. So today, here are 5 simple steps to start rebuilding the most important relationship you'll ever have, the one with you. Step 1. Mirror work. Before you touch your phone, meet your own eyes. Say something kind. I love and accept myself exactly as I am. It might feel awkward, but that's the sound of healing. You're teaching your mind a new truth. Step 2. Set one loving boundary. Protect your peace like it's sacred, because it is. Say no to what drains you. Say yes to what fills you. That's not selfish. That's self-respect. Step 3. Practice forgiveness. You are not your mistakes. Let go of the guilt you've been carrying. Forgive yourself, not because you're forgetting, but because you deserve to move forward. Step 4. Give yourself 5 minutes of care. Blast your favorite song. Step outside. Breathe, stretch. Remind yourself that you are worth your own time. Step 5. End with gratitude. Write down 3 things you're grateful for and 1 thing you love about yourself. Watch how your heart begins to soften. It's not about perfection. It's about progress. Even if you stumble, even if you forget, you can always begin again. So here's your challenge. Try these 5 steps for 1 week and see what changes. Because the longest relationship you'll ever have is the one with yourself. So make it the most beautiful one you can. If this message touched your heart, subscribe to Daily Dose of Inspiration, and let's walk this journey of self-love together. Tell me in the comments, which step will you start with today?